Is it worth it? That's why we're back here in Gaithersburg to take a look at this beautiful townhouse. It is listed for $700,000. It is a 3-bedroom, 2 full and 2 half bath with a 1-car garage, obviously. So let's go take a look at the inside and see, is it worth it? And head in. Carpet is definitely worn. Garage, definitely good storage space in here, and you should actually have room for a car. This thing keeps going, doesn't it? They've got a projector screen, that's super cool. Laundry. All right, so we got a gas furnace from, I believe, 2021. So that's newer. Got the humidifier, and that was done in 24 as well. The hot water heater, It's not hot when it goes in there. And data, so this was big when this was built, but this is all networking through the house. Check it. Measuring tape with you? I may actually. I think I have one in the truck, yes. And walking out. Really nice deck. Good to see from underneath. And one thing I missed earlier is a full bath down here. Very nicely done. Let's go check out the main level. From the garage door to the entrance of the house was 18, and width was 17.9 from nose to nose. 18.3 from the garage door to the door, front door of the house, or into the house rather. Yeah.
What are the dimensions of a 57 Chevy 210?
Classic 57 Chevy 210
You got the built-in wine fridge. I like this. This was big in the late 90s, early 2000s, to where, especially in these type of townhomes, to where and checking out the back deck. Good space. Everything looks good back here. This is a really nice house.
We also don't have anywhere near this amount of furniture.
Nothing wrong with that.
Like not.
Let's check out the secondary room first. There's bedroom 2 and 3. And another full bath. So I was wrong earlier. It's 3 full and 1 half bath. Check out this master. Sitting room. And so his closet. And her closet. They got a heated poopy seat?
I think it's a Japanese toilet.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Isn't it?
Lots of marble, I like it. Oh, they got the fancy like 18 buttons. This reminds me of, do you remember the show, was it Full House from when we were kids?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's a newer version, Fuller House, that we've now watched the entire series with all of my kids. And one of the weddings is in Japan, and the woman getting married, her dress gets eaten by one of those.